Grown broccoli at home and the weather starts getting hotter and small yellow flowers start to appear. Don't put them to trash pile, they are edible. Also the pods can be harvested for seeds too. I found that you can actually still eat the stems, soft stalks, buds, and flowers. The little buds and flowers taste delicious, milder and sweeter than regular raw broccoli. This is a really easy dish to prepare and make. Rinse and cut them into bite size. In a large bowl put the broccoli flowers, buds and stalks. Then add 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. This is optional. Add dried fruits and nuts. Combine all the ingredients. Stir well and chill for at least an hour to allow the flavors to combine.